Make 22 chains at first. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Charu's knitting. Thank you for subscribing my channel and support me. If you like my videos, please don't forget to like and share. Do you have any interest in crochet? Then welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a muffler using two different colors, pink and cream. After making 22 chains, then in the second round make one single crochet in every chains. Make 12 rows of single crochets. But there is a trick to make this pattern. Now I have just completed this row, and from the third rows you need to pull the yarn from the back clips of every chains. So this way, pull the yarn from the back clips of every chains and make one single crochets in every chains. After making the third row, on the fourth row make single crochet from the front side clips. Pull the yarn from the front side clips of every chains. Follow this process alternatively. On the fifth row, pull the yarn from the back side slips, and then on the sixth row pull the yarn from the front side clips. Continue the process alternatively, and there will be 12 rows of these patterns. Now see, I have completed 12 rows. Then make 22 chains. After making 20 chains, stitch it into the corner and then make the previous process once more. There will be more 12 rows of these patterns. On this chain make previous process. Now see how it is look. Now I will stitch with single crochets, and both of these two sides there will be 22 single crochets. After stitching one side, stitch the other side also. There will be 22 single crochets because I need 22 chains for making this main pattern. Here I am using the cream color yarn. First make chain 3, then into the same space make 1 half double crochet, and into the next chain make 1 more half double crochet, and into the next chain make 1 more half double crochet, then pull the yarn through the all 4 hoops and make chain 1, then into the same space make 1 half double crochet, then into the next chain make 1 half double crochet, and into the next chain make more 1 half double crochet and pull the yarn through the all 4 hoops. Repeat the process. Make 1 half double crochet into the same space where you last make the last chain 1, then into the next 2 chains make 1 half double crochet and then pull the yarn all through the 4 hoops. This is the process, ultimate process. You need to make on the next row. Start it with chain 3 and repeat the same process. Make total 50 rows of these patterns, and on the other side make 10 rows of this pattern. I have just completed it. Make a slip stitch and then adjust a yarn tail also. Look, it is so beautiful and so soft, gentle looking. The cream color and the pink one is really adorable. They match. Now the muffler is ready. There are 50 rows in one side, and this is the main part of the muffler, and on the other side there are 10 rows. This is the tail of this muffler, and on the knot pattern there are 12 rows of pink color, and this is the muffler tail. Now I am showing you how to adjust it. Wow, so nice, so cool. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you everyone.